Hi everyone, this is another video for Aimsun and the second video in the scripting series. I would recommend to watch the first one before because I don't want to repeat the same stuff I told that. So let's get on with it. So as I mentioned previously, there are different ways to run a script. When you run a script, you can do it by clicking on something and then that script can appear. So you can achieve clicking or selecting by using a target. Target is basically tells Aimsun that you clicked on something. So whatever you clicked on or selected, that is the target. And if target, that means if target is there, so if it is not empty, then I will do these. I don't do a lot here. It is just basically showing you how to use these things. So how can you specify your script on something? So target. What I want this script to do is showing the type of the object and also to output or print the external ID. I say if, then I say print, and basically two formatted text I use for print. I just say selected object type and selected object name. Or sorry, it shouldn't be name, it should be external ID. And then in curly brackets, I reference target as I did node in the previous video. So target stores my object I clicked on. That is my object I clicked on, target. And I use get type name. If I go to the documentation for scripting, you can find these in just going here and do G, and then you can get this get type. Let me just find it. Get type name, and then you can just go to the object because we are object. So the type name of this object. So that, and then you close the curly brackets. And in the other one, I use target get external ID. And then there is an else part, no object selected. Probably you can't do it, otherwise this would never happen. So you can just delete it, but just, if there is a way to do it or to click on it somehow on the script, just to output that, you need to select something. Maybe if you just execute it from here, then no object selected. So what to do is let's select first what object I want it to appear in the menu, what object I want to use the script for. So I select section. So I select a section, click on it, then right click and it will appear in the menu. I click target practice. It says executing script and the selected object type and selected object external ID. As you can see, external ID is empty, but the type is GK section. So that works. Let's see if I add the name. I add who. If I run the script again, let me just clear out the log. If I run the script again, oh sorry, I put into the name field. My mistake. And so let me just clear it again. And target practice. And as you can see now, the external ID appeared. This can be very helpful if you, let's say, want to update turns, for example, only within a node. Or if you have any script that it does something, it rotates something, it changes the length, it changes some attributes. it basically whatever you need to do by selecting something. If you want to do anything on a selected objects, target is there to help, and it's very easy to use. You just basically use if target, and then you do everything you want there, and you can just use target to reference that object you selected. It was a very short video today. I hope you found it useful. You can't really find this target in any manual or scripting documentation, or at least I couldn't find it there. I don't know why. So consider liking, subscribing if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. And if you want to support me, please head to my Patreon page, or on YouTube you can also sign up as a member and pledge a few dollars a month. That would support me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.